So good day guys, in this video I'll teach you how to create a startup account, and as you can see you just have to search on start.io. okay, search for start.io here, or you just follow the link in the description of this video. I'll be putting the link in the description. So first of all, you just have to look at it. You say reinvesting mobile marketing driving growth, a mobile marketing and something like that. So what you just have to do is just click on this start monetization. As you can see, 500k app and 30 billion software download. So just click on start monetizing. Okay, start monetizing. Then it's going to roll out. Then you click on okay, I got it. Just get it, one of their cookie. So to sign in, just click on create an account. Create an account. Then in this creating account, it will ask you to write your full name, your last name, your company, your website, if you're a publisher or anything. So what you will do, you put your name. For this case, I'll use my name as ERNEST. ERNEST GABRIEL. Then for the last name, okay, the last name is here, so I'll remove this one here, I'll put it here, GABRIEL. Then for the company name, you know, OBM Tech 2, because I have an account already. So for the website name, your website, you can just put www, or okay, let's start with h. Okay, www.google.com. okay, they did not accept this one, so just put in the name of any website you can think about there. Then click on, are you a publisher, an advertiser, or an audience customer? You click a publisher. If you are a publisher, then you fill in your email, your password, and if you have a promo code you can fix it there. So I'll be doing mine right now. So I'll fill in my email and my password, as you can see there. Then if you ask a promo code, I'll be putting my promo code in the description of this video, you can use it. Then they will ask you to write this number. You can listen to the number or you can just write it. So there I can see ROGIJ, and they are all capital. They are all on capital. So I'll put arrow, then capital G, capital I, and capital G. So let us see, it said verify successful. Then you click on create account. As this done, create account. So they did not allow me to create the account because they say this URL I putted is not valid. So let me remove the HTTP and try it again, because it's been long I created my first account. So let me try it again. It's going to work now. Okay, same issue. So let me edit that now. Okay, I think the reason it was not accepted is because I pasted my dot before. So there was a dot and space. So let me try now if it's going to work. Okay, they're asking for the new code, so let me just type it, big letter E S M O and M. Then let me press on okay, create an account, if they're going to accept it. Okay, the issue I have, because you have to add this HTTPS here, then the // and let it be correct like this. There must not be any error message. Then just I'm a publisher and type in this new code again, FB. I think that's SG. That's SG. If it's going to be verified, it was verified. So create an account now. So the account has been created. So you say check your email at obntech@gmail.com. Then you click on the application email. So let me go and check it right now. Let me check it right now. So this was the email they sent. Your username, OBNTech TV. So I have to click confirm to activate my account. So I'm clicking on confirm right now. So after that, they will ask you for login. So I'll click on confirm. So they ask me to log in and verify it. So just put in your email and your password here. Then you click on sign in. So So once you click on sign in, it will prompt you to add your app here. So if your app has been live for any app store like the Play Store, you put it here. You just place the URL there. But since my app I'm using right now for this tutorial has not been active on any store, then you click on this place. It said click here, so I have to click there. Then they will ask you for your app name. So my app name is Poking Online Games. Then which of these store is in Android or iOS? I'll click on the Android button. Then I will click on add app. Just click on the add app button. So yeah, this is your ID. Yeah, this is your like an ad unit, your app ID. Yeah, so any of the store you want to use in this app, they will ask you for your app ID. You could use the same ID for your banner, your interstitial, your rewarded, your native app. You will use this same app ID for every single one. So that's the short video on how to create to set up a startup account. Then if you want to check your balance here, and for you to earn on startup account, you need an application. So video on how to create an application will be in the description below. You can also check my other YouTube video to learn how to create applications so that you can start earning from this startup, so that your balance will not be just zero. Then your balance should reach for like $100 and the pressure will be counting. So do well to subscribe to my channel and like the video, drop comments, also turn on the notification bell, and thanks for watching.